Solving questions on Gay-Lussac's law, we have that a gas has a pressure of 2 atmosphere at a temperature of 300 Kelvin. What will be its pressure at a temperature of 450 Kelvin, assuming the volume remains constant? Here the temperature is already in Kelvin, so we don't need to convert it. We go directly to the equation. So here the parameters are P1 equals to 2 atm, T1 equals to 300 Kelvin, P2 is unknown, and T2 equals to 450 Kelvin. So our formula for Gay-Lussac's law is that P1 over T1 equals to P2 over T2. Alright, so substitute for the value of P1, T1, and T2. We are going to have that 2 all over 300 equals to P2 all over 450. We are going to cross multiply. We have P2 times 300 equals to 450 times 2. Divide both sides by the coefficient of the unknown, which is what, 300. So over 300, the left hand side, right hand side over 300. The left hand side will be left with P2, and the right hand side we have 450 times 2 all over 300. Dividing through, we'll be left with 3 atm. So P2 is now 3 atm. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Hit the subscription button now.